If you hate sales, do this to make money. It's a simple and fast way anyone can make more money, lots of money, without selling anything. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. And I hate sales. I don't like to sell. I don't like to be sold. But it doesn't matter. I've been making money online full time almost since the start of the internet. And get this, I do no selling. Check out what I do online. It might be just right for you too. It lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at their job dreaming of something better. I use an online system to share something unique, something literally everyone wants. The system does the work, it explains everything, answers questions, and even follows up with people using AI. It's powerful. I've never seen anything like it before. And you can have the exact same system. You can get a nice payment for everyone who takes advantage of our offer, and you get paid weekly by direct deposit. There's no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. Plus, you can get paid long-term recurring or passive income too. Imagine what it will be like to still be getting paid months from now for what your system does today. And because it's all online, I do business all over the world. And since the system does the work, I even make money while I'm out sailing. Your previous experience does not matter here. Anyone can do this simple business. You will get excellent training. We will teach you everything you need to know, including how to market for free. The marketing system our team gives you is a complete system. You will not have to create anything. The techie stuff is all done for you. All you do is spend a few minutes using one of the free marketing strategies we teach you to get people to your website. The system takes it from there. This system really leverages your time. Like I said, this only takes minutes a day. It's ideal for busy people. If you are tied up with a job, raising a family, going to school, here's something you can do. It's so simple, many new people make money their very first day. And to help ensure your success, I will be your personal mentor and coach. Making money is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. And in case you are wondering, this is not one of those MLM things. There are no products to buy. You can make money without recruiting anyone. So to learn more about how to make money if you hate sales and to start making more money today, take our online tour at easymoneypath.com.